Chapter 8 Person of the Century Learning Objectives 1. Understanding the life of Albert Einstein. 2. Analyzing his great work. Warm up. Look at the pictures of the famous scientists and write their names in the space given below. A biography is a detailed description of a person's life. It involves more than just the basic facts like education, work, relationships and death, but also portrays a subject's experience of these life events. Unlike a profile or a curriculum virtue resume, a biography presents a subject's life story highlighting various aspects of his or her life, including intimate details of experience, and may include an analysis of the subject's personality. Albert Einstein was declared Person of the Century by the Time magazine, the world's largest circulation weekly news magazine. He was a German-born physicist and the most notable and influential scientist of 20th century. Albert Einstein was born to a Jewish couple in UIM on March 14, 1879. He is known as a genius of science, though he was slow in learning how to speak when he was a child. He was rebellious towards authority and his headmaster expelled him for that, saying that he would never be an achiever in life. His slow verbal development made him curious about ordinary things such as space and time. When he was 5, his father gave him a compass and he puzzled over the nature of magnetic field for the rest of his life. By the age of 16, he wrote his first research science paper. He also took music lessons, playing both the violin and piano, a passion that followed him into adulthood. Moving first to Italy, then to Switzerland, the young prodigy graduated from high school in 1896. In 1905, while working as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland, Einstein had Annus Mirabilis miracle year. It was during this time that the young physicist obtained his doctorate degree and published 4 of his most influential research papers, including the special theory of relativity. The theory gave an equation E is equals to mc2 that unlocked the mysteries of the universe. 10 years later, in 1915, Einstein completed his general theory of relativity, and in 1921, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics that launched him to international superstardom, and his name became synonymous with genius all over the world. I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious. Einstein emigrated to the United States in autumn 1933 and took up residence in Princeton, New Jersey, and professorship at the prestigious institute. Practical application of Einstein's theories include the development of television, remote control devices, DVD players, etc. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. One of his famous quotes. Born in Germany and raised in Jewish faith, Einstein strongly opposed injustices of race and religion. Many people had assumed that Einstein was the creator of the atomic bomb, but it was not true. After his death, April 18, 1955, 76 years, Einstein's brain was donated to the Princeton Medical Center. Time magazine recognized Einstein as Person of the Century in 1999. Find meaning. Genius, brilliant person. Prodigy, genius. Synonymous, equivalent. Rebellious, disobedient. Influential, important. Immigrate, move. Exercises, tell your story. Creative, expression. Albert Einstein was slow in learning how to speak when he was a child, but later he became a genius of science and discovered the special theory of relativity E is equals to mc2, which unlocked the mysteries of the universe. One of the great physics quote says that he had no special talents, he was only passionately curious. Do you think passion and imagination can accelerate a person to reach the climax of success? Discuss in groups and present your views to the class. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Find out the key dates in Einstein's life. Check the chart below and fill in the space. Do it yourself. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. How many meaningful words of 4 or more letters can you make from the letters shown in the puzzle given below? In making a word, each letter may be used once only. Each word must contain the central letter. Logical thinking. Who do you think of when you hear the word genius? Who is a genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? Exercise time. Write the answers of the following questions. 1. Write about Einstein's childhood. Answer. Albert Einstein was born to a Jewish couple in UIM on March 14, 1879. He is known as a genius of science. Though he was slow in learning how to speak when he was a child, he was rebellious towards authority and his headmaster expelled him for that, saying that he would never be an achiever in life. 2. What made Albert Einstein curious about ordinary things such as space and time? Answer. His slow verbal development made him curious about ordinary things such as space and time. 3. What extracurricular activities was Einstein interested in? Answer. By the age of 16, he wrote his first research science paper. He also took music lessons, playing both the violin and piano, a passion that followed him into adulthood. 4. What happened when Einstein was working as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland? Answer. In 1905, while working in a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland, Einstein had annus mirabilis miracle year. It was during this time that the young physicist obtained his doctorate degree and published 4 of his most influential research papers, including the special theory of relativity. Number 5. Write a few famous quotes of Einstein. Answer. Quotes by Einstein. I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious. 2. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited, but imagination encircles the world. Number 6. What were Einstein's views on race and religion? Answer. Born in Germany and raised in Jewish faith, Einstein strongly opposed injustice of race and religion. Find their meanings. 1. Miracle, happening of an impossible thing. 2. Curious, enthusiastic. 3. Puzzled, confused. 4. Mysterious, suspenseful. 5. Professorship, position of a professor. Fill in the blanks. 1. Imagination is more important than knowledge. 2. Albert was rebellious towards authority. 3. Einstein immigrated to the United States in autumn of 1933. 4. He strongly opposed injustice of race and religion. Match the following. 1. Albert Einstein, theory of relativity. N. Tesla, smartphones. M. Curie, radium and polonium. C. Darwin, fossil discoveries. Take the right options. 1. Albert Einstein was born to a Dutch couple in UIM on March 14, 1879. 1. Irish. 2. Swedish. 3. Jewish. Answer. 3. Jewish. 2. Einstein wrote his first research paper by the age of dash. 1. 12. 2. 14. 3. 16. Answer. 3. 16. 3. In 1921, Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize in dash. 1. Physics. 2. Chemistry. 3. Biochemistry. Answer. 1. Physics. 4. Which magazine recognized Einstein as Person of the Century in 1999? 1. Genius. 2. Forbes. 3. Time. Answer. 3. Time. 5. Which body part of Einstein was donated to the Princeton Medical Center after his death? 1. His eyes. 2. His brain. 3. His heart. Answer. 2. His brain. Conceptual understanding. Tell your story. Here are some facts from Einstein's life. Arrange them in chronological order. Answer. Einstein was born in the Germany city of Ulm. Einstein published his special theory of relativity. He is awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Einstein immigrated to the United States in autumn of 1933. Einstein dies. Communication. Writing skills. Write few famous quotes of Einstein. Reading skills. Here are some sentences from the story. Choose the word from the brackets which can be substituted for the italicized words in the sentences. 1. Einstein was constantly to odds with people at the university. On bad terms, in disagreement, unhappy. Answer. In disagreement. 2. The newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Declared, praised, showed. Answer. Declared. 3. Einstein felt so stifled that he left the school for good, permanently, for his benefit, for a short time. Answer. For his benefit. 4. Science wasn't the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man with the walrus mustache. Interested, challenged, worried. Answer. Interested. Listening and speaking skills. Born in Germany and raised in the Jewish family, Einstein strongly opposed injustices of race and religion. Can you remember some other great humans who raised their voice against the racism? How do you see racism? Form a group of 4 or 5, then discuss about any famous scientist and his contribution to the mankind. Let's learn spellings. Circle the correct spelling of the words you see. 1. Responsible. 2. Detoxification. 3. Jurisdiction. 4. Intellectual. 5. Immobility. 6. Expression. 7. Synonymously. Let's learn grammar. The future tense has 4 forms. 1. Simple future tense is used to show that an action will take place in the future. I will wait for you. 2. Future continuous tense is used to show that an action will be in progress in the future. I will be waiting for you. 3. Future perfect tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain time in the future. I will have waited for you. 4. Future perfect continuous tense is used to show that an action will be in progress over a period of time and will end sometime in the future. I will have been waiting for you. Vocabulary time. Fill in the blanks with say or tell. 1. What did teacher say when she saw the students? 2. Can you tell me about the way to Rajiv Chowk? 3. Why didn't they tell us about the accident? 4. You must say that before it gets too late. 5. Let me tell you about the movie I watched. 6. He didn't say a word. Life skills, self-awareness building. Children require nutritious food to become healthy and strong. Make your diet chart and choose only healthy food. Breakfast, tiffin, lunch, snack time, dinner.